cure-all lentil soup from Sweet Potato Soul. Hi, this is Jovanka from jovankacrs.com, and today I have a super fun recipe, and this is something that is really exciting to me because it also happens to be a recipe from my dear friend Janae Claiborne. She has a YouTube channel called Sweet Potato Soul, and she also has a new cookbook, completely vegan recipes called Sweet Potato Soul. Isn't it fantastic? So I love Janae, I love her channel. I'm gonna put her link down there so that you can check out her channel. And of course, I love the vegan recipes. I have worked with her in the past. I have cooked with her and I have tried her recipes as well, and she's amazing. She's just a beautiful soul that also happens to be vegan and lives a conscious life. And so I wanted to feature one of the recipes on her book, and so I chose a soup for many reasons. Number one, I love soup. They're really awesome at any time of the year. You can pack a lot of nutrition into a little bowl. And secondly, it's just really warming and comforting when you're not feeling too hot, right? Whether it is a cold or you're just feeling down for whatever reason. And also because if you're anything like me, you love soup, but you are afraid of cooking them. You don't know how to make soup that is actually tasty. So I wanted to push myself a little bit and try something that I love, but rarely make at home because I'm a little afraid of them. So this is a cure-all lentil soup, and I also love lentils. They're packed with plant protein. I mean, there's really great, amazing things to say about lentils. So I wanted to make one of her soups, and it's going to be a lentil soup. You need to check out this book. I'm gonna put the link down below the video in the description so that you can see. Look at the photos, they're fantastic. I mean, she's amazing. And this is Janae. Yay, another brown vegan. She's so cute and so sweet. So let's get started with the recipe. Let's give this one a try. Yeah, it's really, really awesome. Really warming, really just kind of like satisfying, especially on those very cold days or when you're coming down with a cold. And I had a little piece of something coming out of my mouth right now. It's really, really yummy. It's super easy to make. like I said, you can actually freeze half of this, enjoy it with some friends, and leave the rest in the freezer, and you might want to enjoy it potentially next week or next month or whenever you're ready. So get Janae's book. It's called Sweet Potato Soul. Again, I'm going to put the link at the bottom of this video in the description so that you can run, don't walk to get that book. It's really, really awesome. And I want to, you know, support my fellow vegans and my fellow friends. So let me know how you like this recipe or any other in the book by leaving a comment below. Make sure that you share this video with all of your friends all over the internet, and that you subscribe for more tips and a jolt of motivation for your healthy, sexy, and beautiful life. See you soon.